In this today video, we discussing about the how to prepare for the Odisha lecturer civil engineering exam. As you know, exam date is already out. It's 28th of January, and very limited time period left now. So how can you prepare for this exam? I will dictate all things here. So I one by one cover your syllabus, exam pattern, previous year papers, questions analysis, and which book you should read, and test series and study material. Okay, so first of all, I briefly some explain about this exam pattern. So as you know, there is two paper on a single day. First paper one and paper two. That's in the morning shift, that in the afternoon shift. So in first shift you will get GK 50 question 50 marks, English 50 question 50 marks, time is 2 hours, negative marking is a 0.25 and total marks 100. Then paper second will be conduct, then same here, 200 questions civil engineer 1, 200 questions civil engineering 2 as per syllabus. Okay, so 200 marks, 200 marks mean each mark one question. Okay, 1 mark, and time in 3 hour, negative marking 0.25, total marks 400. Okay, after that they will take around 2 times student for the interviews. Okay, and number of vacancy, number of candidate up to 2, and interviews shall be 5. ठीक है, then your interview will be 50 marks. So total paper 1, paper 2 and interview. Final merit will be done on the basis of all together marks. Okay, next we will cover syllabus. Okay, first of all जनरल इंग्लिश. जनरल इंग्लिश में आपका ग्रामर यूजेज, वोकेबुलरी 35 मार्क्स, कंप्रेंशन 15 मार्क्स, and based on comprehension questions will be asked here. Okay, and general English level is higher secondary level plus 2 level, mean 12th level. Okay, next GK. In the GK they focus on the current event, mean current affair. We providing you PDF for the current affair. Check out our Telegram channel. I will give you link in the description, and you can access all 2023 current affair there. Okay, that will be helpful for this content. Okay, next history of India and geography. Total 50 question, and mostly from these scientific aspect of life as well. So they will highlight these subject mostly, and they generally mention about the general knowledge. So they can ask from anything. They can ask in GK anything, but mostly from these topic they mentioned. Okay, now paper 1 civil engineering and paper 2, what is the difference? In paper 1 some subjects are covered, that's the soil mechanics. Solid mechanics means SOM, strength of material, structural analysis, design of concrete mean RCC, steel, then building material, building construction, and estimation costing. These subjects are in the paper 1, and now in paper 2 WRE mean आपका irrigation engineering, hydrology, FM, fluid mechanics, open channel flow. Must check here, there is no syllabus about the hydraulic machine. So hydraulic machine is not in your syllabus. So read your syllabus carefully. I will give you that PDF in the video description, also in Telegram, so you can download syllabus and read accordingly, because time is already very very less. Next environment engineering, then आपका है geotechnical, soil, transportation. In transportation only highway, there is no about the railway and airport, only highway. Then after surveying, in surveying if you look at the syllabus, then there's some chapters at the end like field astronomy are not in the here. So you will only read that mentioned in the syllabus. It will save your time. Okay. So first of all, read your syllabus carefully. Only read those topics who in the syllabus. Next, we will move on the books. Okay. So first of all, you should practice Odisha Ki Goli previous year papers. Because if you read first previous year papers, then you can get the idea how types questions asked in the lecturer exam. So in this book, you will get OPSC AEE papers 2021, 20, 29, 19, and OPSC AE 2016, OSSC JE 2019, 15, 14, and also new papers which will conducted last year. Okay, then assistant soil conservation officer, assistant agriculture engineer, assistant town planning, assistant political lecturer 2018 paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, so this paper lecturer is very important for you. So first of all, you check this paper, and on the basis of type of question asked in that exam, you can consider in your this exam. Okay, then after you can almost 20 papers in this, so you can expect 2000 plus question from this book. Okay, then after that, if you have some more time, then you can go on for the this book SSJ PYQ YIS Master. This book is also have some good quality questions, you can practice that. But uh, currently very limited time period is left, so I can um, say only this book is best for you. So Odisha all previous year are here, so it will also helpful in the your Odisha JE exam. And in OPSC AEE intro etc. So PYQ is must, and this book is enough for your exam because time is already very less. Okay, last time in the 2023 July month, and one paper is cancelled of JEE, and after re-exam happen, so you can check that paper, almost 70% paper from this book. This is the handbook for civil engineering, and you can this is for revision purpose. So mostly important all content are in the book, so this is for the revision only. So you have must this book. This book is helpful in every civil engineering exam. SSC JE paper also from this book every year, so the civil booster you should buy. And that's Odisha ki Goli book for PYQ. Okay, then for English you can read Nitu ma'am book, that's best of best content. Okay, and for GK and English you can check OPSC book, OPSC other exam English papers question. You know OPSC conduct so many papers in the year, so you can check their GK and English questions, how type of question they ask in the recently conducted by the OPSC. So you should check them, and you can get idea about the what type question they can ask in your lecturer exam. So that will also compulsory, so you can download papers from OPSC website. If any book available in the market that cover that papers, then you can go through that. I'm trying to search, but I am not found. I can not found that books. So next, GK Lucent book is very good, so you can refer this book for any exam. Also same OPSC other exam GK questions papers. Now test series last. Test series very important. You can attempt any 2 coaching test series, at least try one must. So in test series you can practice around 2000 plus questions easily. So test series you can consider as per your knowledge. Ask in your friend circle about the which coaching test series is good. They put questions as per exam pattern. So you can ask in your friend circle and must attempt test series. Okay, that will help you. This will help you in the recognizing your mistakes where you are wrong, so you can learn from your mistake and get successful in the exam. Okay, then now I'm summarize this video. So first of all, gather study material, collect your notes, then reference books, okay, then previous year papers questions, okay, and if you need some classes then you can go from them, and if you have issue in the environment engineering then you can search simply on YouTube about environment engineering classes about particular topic. So first of all you should have all the content. Then time management, make your proper plan and follow that. Clear your concept. If you have issue in the any topic you can simply ask in your friend circle or in our discussion group, or in you can search on the YouTube and etc. Also you can practice more questions of that topic, then you can clear your concept. First solve your previous year papers 3 to 4 times, and time is very less, so you can at least practice 2 or 3 times. Okay, test take a regular test mock test to access your preparation level and identify areas where you need improvement. Okay, so test is very compulsory. Seeking guidance, if you have any difficulty then you can ask in your friend circle or in Telegram doubt group, or your from your faculty. Okay, next, stay healthy and um, properly make your routine properly. Okay, stay positive and motivated. uh, Stay, you should away from the negativity. Okay, last option, revision. So I can prefer you for read out civil booster handbook, that's best for the revision purpose. Okay, so I think these things are helpful for you. Please hit subscribe button. And if you have any doubt regarding this exam or anything, and if you need any content for this exam, you can simply check the video description, and there is a link of our Telegram group. There is all study material are given. Okay guys, thank you.